Hi folks, the district wants us to really encourage you to put your cameras on for these Teams meetings. So I thought that in an effort to allow you to turn your camera on but also create a sense of privacy, I would show you how to change the background in your videos. So when you're in a meeting and it looks like this, you're going to go right up to the top of your bar and go over to these three little dots, these ellipses. Click on it and then go down to apply background effects. When you click on that, you'll see some options in here. You've got a few things to choose from when it comes to changing your background. You could actually put yourself in Minecraft. You could be in this serene mountain landscape. You could go to this old town village. There are lots of options when it comes to changing your background. And if you want to change it, but you're not sure how it would look, you can just click on something, hit preview. It will show you over to the side. And then if you like it, you can just put apply and turn on video. So it's kind of cool that you get to play around and change things up for yourself. And again, it allows you to have some element of privacy while also being more present in your team's meetings. If you didn't want to change your background, but you also kind of didn't want everything so obvious, you could just always hit blur. And that just kind of takes your current background and just blurs it so that people can't see exactly what's behind you, but also you're not really adding any of these different pictures either. So that's up to you, but it is going to be something that your teachers are pressing you to do, so I thought I'd show you how to still have some choice over privacy. See you soon.